It appears we have a little bit of a dilemma here, and here's why. It appears one of the screws is stripped. That must have happened at the factory because this is the very first time I'm disassembling the motor on this fan. So that might be a little bit of an issue later on, but I'm not going to give up. And this is motorized oscillation, by the way. As you can see, there's no gears connecting this to the shaft. It's all electronic. Yeah, this might be a problem. Yeah, this might not be a video. I don't think I got the right tools for... It's a lot harder than I thought. I'm gonna try to get this shaft oiled though. Because it sounds dry. Those look like oil parts. If those are oil parts, please let me know in the comments, because that might make my job a heck of a lot easier. But it sounds really dry, which is not good. Anyway, let me know in the comments if these are oil parts, because I know about box fans and stuff, but this is a little bit newer, so hope everyone has a nice day. Peace.